In this video, I'll show you how to see someone's connections on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational content like this. Now, if you want to see someone connection here on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, right? Let me say, okay, I want to use this, my friend, as an example. I'm going to click on his profile, right? Once it has opened up, I want to see how many connections he got. Okay, so he has 42,000 followers, right? And right here, you can see he has 500 plus connections, right? So this is basically how you can see someone's connections here on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna still check. Okay, I wanna still check this entrepreneur as well. You can see from here $10 million in sales, global education. So you can see his connection as well is 500 plus, right? So I'm gonna give him a follow, right? So this is basically how you can see someone's connections here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'll see you guys in the very next